name is James Patrick Michael Ireland.
Okay, that's a little
Sounds
bit Irish.
a wee bit Irish.
Yeah, a little bit.
So it's in there, yes.
Yeah.
So we certainly claim it today.
And it's odd, his name is James Patrick Michael, and my name is Michael Patrick James. My mom was Irish, and yeah, we've been friends since the 80s, and this is the first time we've been in Ireland together, but but it's great to be on St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, first time for that. You know, I didn't expect that it would be everybody would be in hats. I expected that from like Boston, but I didn't expect it here, and so it's really surprising. It's kind of fun, you know. I've been up since about 6 o'clock this morning. Earlier there was people running up and down here, you know, all in green. So it's just kind of fun to see everybody, you know, enjoying it.
What's brought you here to the parade today?
Basically celebrating the Paddy's Day. We do that in Denmark as well, but it's not that big, to be fair. It's quite small actually, but this is it's a whole lot of thing.
Is this your first time in Dublin?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
And is it anything like you expected?
It is. It's better. Yeah, I would say that.
What were you expecting exactly compared to what you saw? The weather.
I'm not quite sure, but you know, great people, also great beer.
Where'd you get the costumes?
Yeah, Timo.
Yeah, no, I bought it online. I'm pretty sure it came from China, to be fair.
Last time I come here, I was only 10 and I could not enjoy a Guinness, so I'm looking forward to it. The bars don't open till half 12. I come with my mate, he's just gone to the toilet. I said to him this morning, just go in the toilet. It was a little joke between me and him. He didn't know what was going to happen, so I said to him, just go in the toilet. When I go out the toilet, I spray painted on my hair green, and I tried to do my beard ginger, but I don't know if it's still stuck now. It seems to be falling off, like, so. Yes, it was funny, like, so. And everyone else likes it so far. I expected it to be like this. It's absolutely great. Everyone's dead friendly. Everyone's on a happy vibe. It's just lovely, like, to be here.
It's really warm, like people are kind. A lot of people in green, of course, a bit of orange also, but people are really nice. I already saw some videos from past few years, so yeah, I wanted to do that before coming, and because I'm here now, so it's like a must to do, yeah.
Oh, I love it, man. I love it. It's been our second day here. Yeah, the Guinnesses are better here than in London too, for sure.
I mean, I've been to Dublin once before and couldn't ask for better weather, could you? It's about what I expected. I've had some friends who have come for St. Patrick's Day and they kind of told me what to expect, so it's been great so far.
I think like all the mood and the feeling, like since I'm here, Irish people are so nice, and like every time I'm talking to one of them, they told me about I have to be here for St. Patrick's Day. It's the biggest day of the year, so I don't know, the feeling it's special.
It sounds great, but I'm thinking I need to put on more buses because we missed the bus coming in. It was packed.
How'd you get here in the end?
I drove and parked somewhere a good bit away, you know, so.
The atmosphere, I love Ireland, and it's just so nice to see this place full of our people, and it's great.
We're from Portsmouth, and we've come down just to pick up the atmosphere and everything, and just to enjoy a day. Yeah, so that's why we're here.
And what's it like so far?
We're loving it, absolutely loving it. Yeah, we had cocktails last night, we're going to have a Guinness today, so yeah, it's an absolutely lovely atmosphere, and we're really enjoying ourselves.